Hey guys, so I'm here with I guess Five Below, like trying some of their snacks and some of their like freeze-dried candies. So I've had this for a while. Let's see. So if y'all watched my haul a while back, you would see that I had got this stuff and I just haven't, made time to do it. But anyway, so we have these are melty cheese pizza potato chips. So we're just going to try these things. I have a bunch of different stuff here. Oh, goodness. So there's those, and I just figured I'd give them a try. These are, I do believe, like Chinese brands, I think. Smells good. So they look like this. Mmm. It kind of tastes like barbecue. It said Colby's original pizza potato chips pack a zesty pizza kick. Saucy drops of melted cheese, herbs, and spices are a perfect match for crunchy, ridge-cut potato chips. Uh-oh. I think I have a delivery. Those are good. These remind me of those spicy or the sweet and hot barbecue chips. And I can't remember the brand, but that's what these remind me of. You get pizza a little bit. You can taste the cheese, but I taste a lot of, like, I can taste barbecue in it. Hang on. Church man that came and talked to me. He's in a big old van. Let me drop this off. Okay, so the next ones that we have here are these by the same brand, the Colback or Colby. And this one's onion soup. It says, my poked potato chips for myself, too good to share with a friend, made only with potatoes grown in the United States and paired with a rich onion soup flavor. My poked will bring you a smile to make your day happier. Interesting. Let's try these. And these were like $1 a pack. It's not oniony, like overpowered oniony. You can taste more the tater chip than the onion, so. But those are good. These would be good with like a sandwich or something. This one, next one is garlic herb butter. And this says the same thing as this one does. You can taste the garlic in this one. That's Isaiah. Pretty good. That was the Jehovah's Witness that time. So I've got two back to back in one day. Okay. Let's try this again, shall we? My hair's still wet. These, you can taste the garlic. Pretty good. Now, I'm anxious to try these. These are shrimp chips. Same brand. And it says Kalbi shrimp chips, the original Japanese crunchy shrimp snack for more than 50 years, has become an American favorite too. Made from wild-caught sea shrimps, this deliciously baked snack captures authentic flavors including hot garlic, yuzu, and black pepper, wasabi, and the classic original. Enjoy sharing this delightful crunchy treat with your family and friends. Woo. Not too shabby. You can taste the shrimp. They're nice. I mean, they're not, it says hot, but it's not that hot. Hang on. Those people came back. I answered the door to this guy, but them Jehovah's Witness people, they'll sit and talk your head off, and I don't have time for it. I gotta do this video, and then I gotta get down the road, so I gotta get up out of here. These are good. I gotta find some clips to clip these. You roll these up here. These are really good. All right, now we're gonna try. This is I don't even know, it's like a watermelon drink. I just figured we'll give this a whirl too, so let's try it. Make sure it don't spew out, y'all. Ooh, this reminds me of something. What does this remind me of? Some like watermelon candy. Pretty nice. It's very sweet though. Pretty good though. Tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher or something. Okay, now we have these original crispy, crunchy carrot or flavored potato snacks. It says Jaga Rico, a crunch elevated potato snack that's crunchy on the outside and crispy inside. The secret is pairing hearty potatoes with real bits of carrots and parsley. Seriously crunchy, so delicious. So let's try these. These have a little seal-up bag, which is nice. Okay. They look like that. You can taste the carrots and the potatoes, but more so the potatoes. They're nice. Them are good. Now look. I'm excited about these. But first, we're going to try this. Japanese Mochi Matcha, however the heck you call it. So, I love trying new things, especially things that's like out of the country, like this kind of stuff you'd get away from other places than here. I mean, you can get it in stores, but you know, it's a different type of food. Or snacks, I should say. All right, now. Woo. So these come in little, excuse me, things like that. These are very, very soft. So let's try it. Now these aren't bad. It's not my favorite. This reminds me of something. But it's green tea. Paste. You can taste the bean in this. You know those ones you can get at the Chinese restaurant that has like the puffy stuff with like the bean stuff inside of it? That's what they kind of taste like. They're different. They're different and they're not my favorite. Woo! Y'all, that was totally different. I'm gonna have a sugar high. And this, my friends, is very sweet. Oh my. Woo! Okay. So we have the, I'm only going to try one of these because I don't want two of them. But we have the Planet Gummies. And this is in, is it like a berry flavor? Liquid Center, soft strawberry flavored. But I've seen these on TikTok. And there's these ones, but I just want to try this one. And look how cool these look. Can't wait to try these. Isaiah and Katie's done tried these, but I haven't. But look, so you get, they're like a ball. And then when you bite into it, they're gooey inside. Mmm. These little things are good. Now that I've tried them, I'm satisfied. Okay, now. We have So Good Candy freeze-dried Sour Bites. I guess these are like Skittles. So, these were like $5 a pack though. But these just looked fun. So, let's try one. Mmm. They're sour and sweet. And very airy. Let's try the lemon one. Those are good. Woo! A little bit sour, y'all. My hair's still wet. And then we have the freeze-dried Crunchy Bears. Let's give this a whirl, shall we? I love trying new stuff and new candies. It's so fun, y'all. If I can get this mess open. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this one. They smell good. Mmm. They're gummy bears, but you get a different taste. Like, it tastes like it, but it's different. Those are nice. Let's try this one. Mmm. This one tastes like the blue popsicles. And the plastic thing, you know. These are good. I don't like how they stick to your teeth though. But it's interesting. Woo, got a sugar high. But anyways, I wanted to share that with you guys and try all that. I do have these, but I'm not going to try it right yet. It's the instant bubble tea kit and strawberry. We might do that later this evening. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you like these types of videos. I personally like doing these. And I've had this stuff for a while, but I've not got to do the video yet. So I was like, I'm going to do it today, y'all. This tastes good, but it's sweet. Like, extremely sweet. So I'm going to take about one more sip of it. I'm going to be done with it. I bet Isaiah would like this. He likes stuff like that. What does this remind me of? It's something watermelon. And I can't even remember. Like, I can't think of what it's, like, what this reminds me of. I don't know. Woo! But anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. And until next time, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.